Rich colors. The package contains 12 pieces of 8 megaliters colorful stamping polish set. Shining green, shining sliver, shining golden, burgundy red, blue black, red, black, green black, orange, purple, white, lucifer yellow, suitable for all patterns you design. Good transfer effect. When you transfer from the seal head to the nail, it is convenient to transfer, the colloid has good viscosity, and the pattern is clear. It is a good helper for your nail design. Recommend when using this stamping gel, you need to bake under the UV LED lamp for 30 to 60 seconds, and with Biutee nail stamping plates, you can get more wonderful and interesting experience. Environmental protection. We only use environmentally friendly materials, such as natural resins and colorants. Non-toxic and odorless. Easy to use. Our products are accompanied by instructions for use, or if you have any doubts, please feel free to contact us. In just a few simple steps, you can get the nail pattern you want. Suitable for your daily life and various parties. Top reviews from the United States. Need UV light but great colors. So this definitely takes some practice and a UV curing light is needed. That said, the colors are nice and I've really had fun with it so far. Photo taken about a week after applying, only second time using it.